How's it going, everybody? Welcome to VlogMas Day 3. I'm going to show you around the house a little bit, do a Christmas decoration tour. First off, we got some Christmas lights hung up along the eave up there. Those were fun to hang up. Got wreath. Hey kids, why don't we show them around? Everybody's my son Mason. Hello. My daughter Emma. Hi. Dog Lexi. Alright, so we got a Christmas tree. Start off in here. A few presents under there. Yep, alright, we'll get some more. So my wife is really into Santa elves and Santa fairies. So these are Mark Roberts Santa fairies. She has a lot of them. 22 to be exact. So they're pretty intricate as far as their design and how they're put together. Mark Roberts does a really good job of that. So even one up there, they're all over the place.
Get one every time we go to Sedona.
Yeah, Sedona always had them at Talk of the Town. We got some Santa action.
And we got some Santa, the stone Santa in the Christmas tree and the chair.
Oh yeah.
And then
Look
the
at that.
plate decorations.
Yep. Another Santa fairy, Santa fairy, Santa fairy. There's a bunch. My Nutcracker had this guy for a while. Yeah, he actually works too.
The mistletoe. Can't forget that.
Oh, mistletoe. Gotta have the mistletoe. These are all my Nutcrackers. I've collected them for a long time. I stopped collecting them probably 7 years ago. We got Santa Village. Pretty cool Santa Village. What's up, bud?
Our elf.
Oh, don't forget Coco.
Our elf.
Coco's always watching. Huh? He's always watching. And what can't you do to the elf?
Touch her.
Yeah, can't touch it.
Or else we're gonna get magic instead of Coco.
That's right. Nativity.
Most elves play tricks on.
Stockings.
Most elves play tricks on the kids.
A lot of bears there. Another Santa fairy.
Oh, we can't forget the wine fairy.
Oh, yep, wine fairy. Wine fairy's over here. Yep, there he is.
We got Christmas fairy.
Christmas fairy.
Christmas treats.
All right, and last but not least,
That outdoor tree.
outdoor Christmas tree. So Emma and my wife decided that they wanted to do an outdoor Christmas tree. This thing turned out pretty dang good. I like how it turned out, actually. It looks awesome. Pine cones, got bear up top. You did a good job.
We put the big ornaments in the back so they would reflect.
Yeah.
And show more light.
The bear.
Yeah.
We used gold feathers, pine cones, and berries in the bear.
Don't forget
Yep.
the string.
Yep, string, gotta have string.
For the topper, and then we did bows everywhere.
Cool.
And we got the stand right there, the big.
Yep, with the
It
stand.
looks like the bear was floating, so we just put ribbon under it because we didn't want it to do the gold one because it looked like he was pooping it out.
Yeah,
So
that's true.
we just used a ribbon.
It's funny.
Sometimes.
Awesome. All right, guys. Thanks for watching this video. We'll see you tomorrow, day 4 of VlogMas. All right.
Bye.
See you guys.